counting ducks and more. Hi boys and girls, we're gonna count real ducks. Now here's a quacker. He's a cutie. Let's follow him up. He is one duck, isn't he? Let's see where he's going. He's looking around. And there's another duck. And that's his lady friend. He's a male and she's a female. So one male plus one female equals 2 ducks. Can you say that with me? 2 ducks. Good job. How many ducks are here, boys and girls? Yes, our 2 ducks again. Boys and girls, how many white ducks do you see here? Yes, 2 white ducks. Now watch closely as our ducks move together like twinsies. Did you see them turn around at the same time? Two ducks. 2, say it with me. Look at this cute little baby duck. Isn't he cute? So the baby duck, boys and girls, is 1, and there's mother duck. So how many ducks do we have? 2 ducks. Say it with me. 2 ducks. Good. A baby duck is called a duckling. And here are 2 baby ducks. Aren't they the cutest little things, boys and girls? Here's another mother duck with her baby. How many ducks do you see, boys and girls? 1 mother with her baby equals 2 ducks. Number 2. How many ducks do you see? Yes, 2 ducks. How many male ducks do you see here? 2 male ducks. Say 2 ducks with me, boys and girls. 2 ducks. Boys and girls, look at these 2 white-crested ducks. Cuties, aren't they? Number 2. Boys and girls, say 2 ducks with me. 2 ducks. Good for you. Number 2. Now let's look at other animals in groups of 2s. 2 pigs. 2 kittens. 2 seagulls. 2 puppies. 2 penguins. 2 goats. 2 macaws.